This video is going to demonstrate folders in your Moodle course. What we have open right now is an example of 1.9, which you might remember, having a Files folder on the administration block. When we transition to Moodle 2, you may see a Legacy Course Files folder. This is not where we want to start adding things to. So, in your new Moodle course, what you want to do is click Add an Activity or Resource, select Folder, Add. Name and description. I'm just going to give these a quick bullet point, and it'll make sense in a few moments. Because when the student opens the folder, they're going to see this information here. So instead of description, you could think of this maybe as directions. You could display this information on the course page. One word of caution, when you start doing that, your course gets very long. Scroll down a bit, and this is where I can add my folders. I click Create Folder, name, and create the folder. Now I can create another folder. If I click this, it will open my folder, and now I can add a document to it. Upload a file, choose a file, navigate to where my files are, upload, and it appears within my folder. And now my PowerPoint file has been added. I click Files to return back to my main screen. Now I can go, say, to my Word documents. But at this point, I can scoot this over a bit, grab my Word document, and drag it directly over. It will add to that file. I'm going to maximize this screen again. For return back to my main files, I will see there's a small icon to the lower right. If I click that, this is a point where I can delete or zip, which is also compress my files, rename, move, then I can click Update and it will move to a new location. So I'll put a folder within a folder. I'm going to click Cancel and save and return to course. Here's my folder. If I click, what we're going to see is my directions that I've put in the file description, and then here are my files. Here's my PowerPoints folder and my Word documents folder. Now I'm going to return to my course because there's one more way to add a folder to my course. I'm going to move this over to the side a little bit, and I have a number of files within this folder here. I'm going to scroll down to a new location. I can't simply take this whole folder and drag it to my course because it will not let me do that. What I first have to do is zip or compress this folder. All I need to do is right click, choose Send to Compressed or Zipped Folder, click. This did not take very long because there's not much in the folder. As we notice, this one does not have a zipper on it, and this one does. I click, drag this to my course, release, and it gives me some options. All I want to do is unzip files and create my folder. Click Upload. If I open my folder, you will see the things that were inside my folder. This has been adding a folder to my Moodle course.